guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today I'm joining Shushana from Regal Designs by Shushana and the Cleaning Queen and Tamara from Love My Babies Forever on the Christmas in July DIY challenge. And I'm so excited because I wanted to make something for Christmas and I found the perfect piece, and I want to show you what I will be recreating. Now, this is the beautiful piece I want to recreate to have in my home. As you saw, it's beautiful. Now, let me show you the supplies we will use. These are the supplies for our beautiful gifts. Now let's get started. First, we're going to take our foam like that, and we're going to grab our spackle and we're going to start spackling our foam. Yeah, I said spackling our foam because we want to create some sort of texture similar to the wood texture because we are using foam instead of wood to make them. So we're gonna spackle them just by running our hand all around our piece like you see me doing here. And now we're gonna do the same to the sides. Never forget those sides because it's gonna look like foam if you don't do that. And now I'm gonna use black paint. Yeah, I know it's Christmas, but this black paint, instead of red, it's gonna help us make it look like birch. That's the look that I'm going for here. And we're gonna dry brush like you see me here. All of our pieces, that's how they look. And now I'm gonna take my mineral chalk paint from Waverly and I'm gonna give it a good dry brush all over our three beautiful pieces of foam, because right now they are foam, but they will become beautiful presents. So we're gonna give it a good dry brush like that to all of them, because that helps a lot with the effect we're looking for. And then after we've finished with that, we're gonna take white paint, and that's gonna make all the difference in those pieces. Look, here I have my white paint, and now I'm just pouring some of that, and this is not a dry brushing effect. We're gonna take a little bit more and we're gonna brush it around our piece, and as you can see, it's just making it look beautiful. I think that looks like birch. And now I'm taking that ribbon I found at Walmart and some greenery I had at home, that one, and my hot glue gun with glue sticks and my scissors, and I'm gonna wrap my presents like they were real. We're gonna cut some ribbon and we're gonna glue that to the back like that, and we're gonna glue it, and then we're gonna come and just crisscross that ribbon and glue it again. Now we flip it and we're gonna start playing around with our greenery, and I'm gonna add them. First I have to grab that pine cone and those leaves, and then we're gonna move on to hot gluing all of that. Lots of hot glue. You need lots of hot glue so that sticks there and stays there. And we're gonna add all of those leaves and greenery so we can add our berries on that corner like that. And we're gonna add our pine cone in the center, and it looks so beautiful. I love that. Now we're gonna repeat the same steps on our other presents, and I'm gonna show you one more time how we did the ribbon thingy to wrap it like a present, because I'm gonna add different greenery on all of them, so they're gonna look different but cohesive. The same but different. And we're gonna glue our greenery and add our leaves. After that, as you can see, I'm using different type of greenery for this one, and our leaves like that. And then add our pine cone to the center and some berries, but I have 2 smaller pine cones like those, and they look so cute. Look at that. And now I add my berries, and that's it. If you see something that you like here and you want to become a member of my family, I would love for you to join our family. And you just have to subscribe. And I love to make farmhouse and boho decor, and I like to make my home beautiful on a budget. So if I can reuse, recycle, and remake something beautiful, I'm gonna do it without spending. So if you like that, join my family, turn on those notifications, and join the fun of making our homes beautiful. And now, as you can see, I'm adding some different decor to my beautiful piece. And I'm adding my berries and all of that, and another pine cone, and that's the bigger one, and it looks beautiful. Now I'm gonna make bases for those using the stir sticks, and then I'm gonna glue a piece of stir stick to the bottom of my present, and we're gonna repeat that to each and every single one of our presents, and that will be it. We will have beautiful decor for Christmas. And this is how they turned out. As you can see, we have the beautiful paint job and also the beautiful greenery and the ribbon. I love it. It's beautiful. Look at that. We have a set of 3 and I spent nothing on them. So beautiful. Remember, in the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to Shushana's and Tamara's channels. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how everything turned out. Look at that. It looks beautiful styled. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.